This video will demonstrate the Spin and Grin, a motorized sit and spin device with vibration therapy for a child with sensory defensiveness. The device encompasses both mechanical and electrical components. Here is an overview of the internal mechanical components, which include the wheel hub support system, a 12-volt DC motor mounted using metal brackets, chain and sprockets, and wood block supports for the wheel hub. A Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel hub is used for excess weight bearing, and a sprocket welded around the edge allows for connection to a chain. A Jeep brake disc rotor connects to the wheel hub and provides additional support for connection to the spin platform. Wooden blocks with custom machined aluminum plates allow the wheel hub to be secured and for the wheel hub to elevate to the same height as the motor shaft sprocket. A set of S-brackets and bent metal braces were built and used to mount the motor and supply the necessary tension to rotate the spin platform. These individual components are connected and function as a single cohesive unit. Pressing one button on the spin platform causes counterclockwise rotation. The other button causes clockwise rotation, and when neither is pressed, no rotation occurs. The electrical aspects that control this process will be described in more detail shortly. Here is the exterior of the spin platform, consisting of two buttons mounted to two armrests, a large seat cushion, and a red fabric material that provides additional comfort for the client. Beneath these components is the actual spin platform, which has a diameter of 2 3/4 feet and is made of MDF. The wooden armrests secure the buttons and contain an enclosure to secure electrical components, but provide access to the battery pack to power vibration. The enclosure contains a hinge that can be opened for easy access to battery packs. A PVC pipe protects wires that run from the button to beneath the spin platform. Here we demonstrate how to open the armrest enclosure to access the battery packs and how to securely mount the battery packs back into place. The brake disc rotor has 4 custom machined threaded holes that allows the MDF platform to be mounted to the wheel hub assembly using M12 bolts. The red fabric cover contains elastic edges that make placing and removing the material a breeze. Once the fabric material is attached, the seat can be connected to the 2 strips of Velcro on the fabric. The seat and fabric material can then be easily removed for cleaning. Finally, the internal components are housed by an MDF base enclosure. Corner pieces prevent unwanted reaching inside the device, and handles ease transportation, as shown in the following video.
An infrared circuit allows for wireless motor control. Each button is connected to an IR transmitter, and when pressed, sends unique codes to an Arduino microcontroller. Power is supplied by 2 AA batteries. These components are secured to the bottom of the MDF using Velcro. The Arduino sends IR information from the buttons to a bidirectional spinning circuit. This utilizes a DP-DT relay to reverse the polarity of the voltage delivered to the DC motor, depending on which button was pressed. This circuit connects directly to the motor and is secured using industrial strength Velcro. When the Arduino receives an IR code, voltage is delivered to the motor and the wheel hub spins. If the other button is pressed, a different IR code is sent to the Arduino, and the direction of rotation reverses. Accessible battery packs can be turned on or off to supply vibration for therapeutic effect. The device is powered by a 12-volt DC adapter. It can be plugged into any standard wall outlet. Here, our team members demonstrate how to properly use the spinning grid. First step is to turn on the vibration. Pressing the yellow button provides rotation in one direction. Pressing the blue button provides rotation in the opposite direction. A closer look also shows that the buttons light up when pressed. As our client uses the spinning grid, it is clear there is a learning curve, and at times his mother's help is required. However, with repeated use, the client will surely be able to operate the device independently and continue continued to grin as he spins.